The Vivo X500 Ultra is unlikely to launch this year. Probably, it will be unveiled in the first half of 2027 in China as well as the global market. A new leak suggests Vivo could be experimenting with a much longer zoom camera for its next Ultra flagship. Vivo is currently testing a 10x telephoto camera for what is believed to be the Vivo X500 Ultra. The current X300 Ultra relies on a single 200MP periscope camera that offers around 3.7x optical zoom, tipped to run on a premium next-generation chipset, potentially Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 6/Elite Pro series. Feature a massive 6.85-inch to 6.89-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 2K resolution and a 120Hz per 144Hz refresh. Rumored to pack a massive 7,000 mAh to 7,500 mAh battery using high-density silicon carbon cells, supporting up to 120W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.